2024. I don't know if this will be good to 25, but $27 single site, $54 for the double sites, $17 for the discount, including charge with with electricity. They add another $7 onto the rate, so it's really a $34 campsite. And there's the overall sites, and yes, we picked 10 way over there all by itself, which is good. But all of these up that aisle looked pretty good actually, and so did 4, 2, and 1. So let's check out the bathhouse. So it looks like a typical bathhouse. The showers are independent, and they're push button. They got nice seats. Fairly clean. Little crust around them, but the walls are nice. No mold or anything. Looks like they were just painted. These will be nice. And the bathrooms look a little aged. Ooh, nice and warm. Ooh, need a haircut. Two thrones and a urinal, but it's pretty clean in here. Got regular faucets. No hot, just cold. No hot, just cold. All right. Number 11. Nice one. We got 16 here on the right, 15 on the left with 3 cars. Here's 17, nicely spaced. Door into the woods. Real nice fifth wheel. Here's 20, a pull-through. Got a big fifth wheel on it. 21 is a short little thing across the street. Exposed and everything. Here's 24 on the right. That's a nice site too. Right up to the woods. I like that. Here's an A-liner on 25. 29, great big monster, giving it a bath. They're nice. They're nice sites. All the sites are fairly flat. They're all paved. Pretty nice looking. And here we are at 10. We got real nice space. We'll get a closer picture of that in a minute. Well, it might be a little late in the evening, but this is the campsite we're on. It's got electricity. There's water out at the street. It's got a nice fireplace. It's got 2 of these stupid lantern posts. It's got a dog and a ball. Try to get that ball. The driveway is almost big enough to put the car side of the trailer, although I didn't really put the trailer far enough over. And it's a very long driveway. I think if my trailer's 21 foot, I'd say this was easily 45 foot, which is nice. We're right next to the woods, so nobody on the door side is going to bother us. So it's a very, very good spot. We're very pleased with this. ocean side, and it's 2 streets over to the ocean. These houses are not on the ocean. We should probably go over there. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Do I have to take a number?
Yes. You can take that over into historic Beaufort, and then that's down deep. But when you came across the bridge here, if you had not came across the bridge over into Emerald Isle, this is Highway 24. This takes you into like Moorhead, comes across, and then you take the beach bridge and you're right back. It's a circle.
Well, folks, we're at the Atlantic coast on the ocean. In the snap of a finger, we're going to be on the Pacific coast on the ocean. In just a couple of weeks, it'll all happen. Just watch. There is quite an extensive pamphlet on these graves and the people buried in them. You probably can't read this, and I know I'm going pretty fast, but there's 28 different graves, and they're all pretty interesting. And it's the Crystal Coast of North Carolina, the old burying grounds, and Beaufort. And there's it's a walking path through the cemetery. Some of the good ones is this one is Captain Otway Burns, who was a naval commander and was the most heroic naval captain, it says, in the United States Navy. And he went from Canada all the way to South America, blowing up British ships and taking their cargo. It says on one trip alone he got over $2 million worth of goods. And so they buried him with a cannon from the Snapdragon ship that he plundered once. And then right over here is the girl in a barrel of rum. An English family, including an infant daughter, came to Beaufort. The girl grew up with a desire to see her homeland and finally persuaded her mother to allow her to make the voyage. Her father promised her, his wife, he would return the girl safely. The girl enjoyed the visit to London, but died on the voyage home. She would have been buried at sea, but her father could not bear to break his promise. So he purchased a barrel of rum from the captain, placed her body in it, and brought her to Beaufort for burial. And obviously people bring things to the gravesite all the time, so pretty interesting. But this whole cemetery is full of stuff like that, so it's a pretty interesting cemetery. Come to this area, the Crystal Coast they call it, the Emerald Isle of North Carolina. Very pretty place. The National Forest Campground is real close and real convenient, and there's a lot of stuff around that too. Well, folks, I figured since we're on the coast, along the seashore, we might as well get takeout fish. So we went to one of the better restaurants and we got fish and chips. Look at this beautifully made fish sandwich. A beautiful bun, nice fish, toasted just right, just the right amount of tartar sauce. It's my kind of fish sandwich. So good. He loves the French fries. You're not interested in food, huh? You'd rather play with the ball.